Hi, this is Dr. Pan recording from Tucson, Arizona. Today we have a question from one of our YouTube subscribers. Let's do a quick analysis and see how we go about solving this one. To send your own questions, please consider subscribe our channel. Now, let's do a quick analysis or quick review on what's important when it comes to graph hyperbolas or in reverse, giving a curve. How do we go find about the equations? Three things come in mind. The first one, the curve always sits on the first term. So if the y term comes first, then curve sits on y. X term comes first, sits on the x. Second thing, that the center is shifted in that y minus cy, x minus cx. That's really come from the distance formula. The center is at cx, cy, but it shows up as y minus cy and x minus cx. The last one is this called asymptote box. It really is just the number underneath each term and using the box to construct where the asymptote lines are, because the lines are really just the diagonal inside the box. Once we have this box and reading this number is pretty easy, and asymptote slope is plus minus length of y divided by length of x. So in our case, we need to figure out what the length of y is, which term comes first, depending on where it sits, and let's go take a look at the curve we're given. Alright, so here's the solution. The curve sits on the x direction, so let's just form the general formula. Alright, so here's the solution. The curve sits on the x. So our general form is going to be x term comes first, and this equal to 1. So there's x minus cx, wherever the center is, divided by the length of along x direction. Here's the box. And then what we're going to do is read the center next. The center is a minus 2 and minus 1. So since the form is x minus whatever the center is, so x minus minus 2 becomes x plus 2. Y minus minus 1 becomes y plus 1. The third thing we're going to do is we're going to read the asymptote box, the size of this. Now going from minus 2 all the way to positive 1 here, we see the length along x direction is 3. Going from minus 1 to positive 1, we see the length along y direction is 2. Putting it back together, that's our final answer. Well, I hope this helps. Hi, this is Dr. Pan recording from Tucson, Arizona. Please comment, share, or like this video. Together we can make math easy again. Have a confident day.